this is Katya here, and today I'm going to be doing broccoli balls. And I'll tell you all the ingredients we have to make them with. Cooked broccoli, and then we got onion. It's called something else in it, but I forgot. So, and then we have breadcrumbs. It's right here, you can see. And then we got egg white, egg, and then we got cheese, and then I got my bowl, and my measuring cup, and my spoon to mix it, and my tray. And let's get started because I'm really excited to do this today. I've been wanting to, and I'm really excited. So and we're supposed to start with the broccoli. So we're going to go and pour the broccoli in. There we go. So now it's time to put all the onion in. It's right here. Then put all that in. Time for Mama, which one's next? This one next? Oh, yeah, this. Or cheesy? This one next? It is? No. Oh, there we go. I better use this to get all that out. Okay, there we go. And put all our breadcrumbs in. And try not to spill it. Because I always spill it, but I didn't spill it this time. Now let's start getting to mix it. The cheese makes it hard to mix. That's okay. I guess it is. My mom couldn't do it later. When I finished the video. That's oopsies, but I didn't do it. That's gonna be for the whole video. So now we finished mixing it, and it's time to roll the balls. So we need to put that thing, move this board, put it there to put the tray because it's very big to try. Okay. Okay, so the tray is lined with baking paper. You always have to put baking paper on it before you cook. But if you don't put baking paper, it'll just stick to the tray. So, yeah, I'm just gonna, my mom put some water in here so I can wet my hands. Because it tells us to wet our hands a little bit so you can make the balls. Does it have to be the whole thing wet, Mom? I don't know how to let's stick the whole thing like that. That's good. Okay. We're all done for wetting our hands. And now it's time to make the bubbles. So you have to get a little bit of it, and there's a squeeze it, and then squeeze it like that. Let's start from the bottom because I can. That's not very straight there. So now grab some more. I'm gonna have to grab some more water. It sticks better that way. So now it's shaped better. Like the person is shaped like potato jam. So I finished making them. I left some there and some here. And then I'm gonna put them on the tray now. It's not much cheese. the whole time. So now I finished making the balls. We're gonna put it in the oven. And I'm with my hands. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. Time, and don't put it in the oven at home by yourself because it's very dangerous. So now that we're all finished going up, we're gonna put it in the oven. Really careful. Well, all the sticks going in the face is very hot. See, don't do it. So now to finish cooking, I'm gonna put them in a bowl and I'm gonna taste test them with my little sister. She's 1 and she's so tiny and the tray's hot, so don't touch it on the bonus. And I'm gonna pour it in the plate for me and my sister. Now we're gonna taste her. So I'm really excited. I was hungry. Cross my fingers if it's good. It's very good. How's it for you? Good? She wants to dip it in. Just like me. Bye guys, I see you next time. I see you in another cooking show, but it might be long because I do it long.